Wonders of England. A journey through time and beauty. England is a land steeped in rich history, captivating landscapes, and awe-inspiring architectural feats. From ancient stone circles to majestic castles, vibrant cities to tranquil countrysides, England is home to some of the world's most fascinating wonders. Let's take a journey through the wonders of England, celebrating the beauty and significance of its heritage. 1. Stonehenge. The ancient enigma. One of England's most iconic and mysterious landmarks is Stonehenge, located in the rolling hills of Wiltshire. This prehistoric stone circle, dating back to around 3000 BC, continues to captivate the imagination of historians and tourists alike. The purpose of Stonehenge has puzzled scholars for centuries. Was it a religious site, an astronomical observatory, or a symbol of unity? Whatever the reason, its massive stone monoliths arranged in a perfect circle are a testament to the ingenuity of ancient people. The fact that these stones, some weighing as much as 40 tons, were transported from over 150 miles away, makes Stonehenge a true wonder of ancient engineering. 2. The Tower of London. A fortress of history. Situated on the banks of the River Thames, the Tower of London is another of England's most famous historical landmarks. Built by William the Conqueror in 1066, the tower has been a royal palace, a prison, a treasury, and even a zoo. The tower's rich history is full of intrigue, betrayal, and drama, with its most famous residents including Anne Boleyn, who was executed here in 1536, and the mysterious disappearance of the princes in the tower. Today, the Tower of London houses the crown jewels, and visitors can marvel at the priceless collection of royal regalia. The Beefeaters, or yeoman warders, offer guided tours, sharing stories of the tower's fascinating past. 3. The Lake District. Nature's masterpiece. For those who seek natural beauty, the Lake District in northwest England is a place of unparalleled splendor. With its rugged hills, tranquil lakes, and lush valleys, the Lake District has inspired poets like William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. Visitors can take boat rides on Lake Windermere, hike up Scafell Pike, England's highest mountain, or simply enjoy the serene landscape from the comfort of a charming village. The Lake District is a true wonder of England, offering a sanctuary for nature lovers and a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. 4. Westminster Abbey. The heart of English royalty. Westminster Abbey is not just a place of worship, it's a symbol of the continuity of English history. Located in the heart of London, this stunning Gothic cathedral has been the site of every British coronation since 1066. The Abbey is also the final resting place of many of England's most prominent figures, including monarchs, poets, and scientists. The tombs of Sir Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin, and Geoffrey Chaucer lie within its walls, making Westminster Abbey a treasure trove of England's cultural and scientific heritage. The Abbey's intricate architecture, with its soaring spires and breathtaking stained glass windows, is a testament to the skill and devotion of the craftsmen who built it. 5. Hadrian's Wall. A Roman legacy. Stretching across the north of England from coast to coast, Hadrian's Wall is an ancient Roman structure that once marked the northern boundary of the Roman Empire in Britain. Built under the orders of Emperor Hadrian in AD 122, the wall was originally a defensive fortification against the tribes of what is now Scotland. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its remnants can still be explored by hikers and history enthusiasts. The wall stretches over 70 miles and offers visitors a glimpse into the might and engineering prowess of the Romans. The nearby forts, museums, and visitor centers help bring the history of Hadrian's Wall to life. 6. The White Cliffs of Dover. England's natural landmark. Rising dramatically from the English Channel, the White Cliffs of Dover are a natural wonder that have become synonymous with England itself. These striking white chalk cliffs have stood for millennia and have served as a symbol of hope and resilience, particularly during times of war. The cliffs are best viewed from the sea, where they appear as an imposing barrier between England and the continent. They have also inspired countless artists, poets, and writers throughout history, evoking a sense of awe and national pride. Whether you're visiting the nearby Dover Castle or simply enjoying the spectacular views, the White Cliffs are a must-see wonder of England, a land of timeless wonders. From the ancient stones of Stonehenge to the natural beauty of the Lake District, England is a country brimming with history, culture, and extraordinary sights. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of London or wandering through the tranquil countryside, you'll find wonders at every turn. England's rich tapestry of history and natural beauty is what makes it a truly magical destination for travelers, historians, and nature lovers alike. These wonders are not only a testament to the ingenuity of past generations, but also a reflection of the enduring spirit of England.